velociraptor. Yes, the famous velociraptor. Velociraptor. It means speedy thief. See my long tail? It lets me run really fast. But not for too long. Didn't know I had feathers, huh? I need them to keep me warm. Because, well, 85 million years ago, it sometimes got pretty cold around here. And where is here? It's what is now known as northern China. I'm not very big either. If you compare me to my cousins like the T-Rex. But like them, I'm a meat eater and I walk on 2 legs. But I'm just about the size of a big turkey. I hunt in a pack. In fact, this whole time my pack has been watching us. Eva! Shh. Nothing like spending a day playing with your friends. 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Bye.
Have no fear, have no fear. The king of the dinosaurs is here. That would be me. Tyrannosaurus Rex, which actually means Tyrant Lizard King. And, well, that's me. And did you know that a full-grown T-Rex, like myself, ta-da, is more than 12 meters in length? That's longer than a school bus. And when I stand up to my full height, I'm taller than a double-decker bus. We Tyrannosaurus Rexes weigh more than 7 tons, you know. And I have the most beautiful teeth. Would you like to see them? Most vegetable-eating dinosaurs have small, bumpy teeth for chewing and grinding leaves and plants. But, well, you see, I am a carnivore. That means meat eater, yum, 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 yum. And my teeth are perfect for, well, there's simply no other way to put this, for eating other dinosaurs. And the best part is once my teeth get a little worn down, they're automatically replaced. It really is a tremendous honor being king of the dinosaurs. 65 million years ago, we T-Rexes ruled the world, especially these parts of North America. Here. Well, I'd simply love to stay and chat with you all some more, but you see, my subjects need me, and I need them, because it's lunchtime! Oh, dear.
Oh, yeah. Welcome to the late Cretaceous period, 70 million years ago. I'm a Gorgosaurus. That's Gorgosaurus. Mom! Now they're gonna think I'm just a kid. I can't wait till I get big. I'm going to be even scarier than my mom over there. Because that's what my name means, fearsome lizard. I'm not as tall as she is yet, but one day I'll be 9 meters long. I'll be as long as a house. Gorgosaurus like me, tyrannosaurus? Phew, that's a big word, but it has to be big just like us. Imagine, we're in the same dino family with T-Rex. See all the sharp teeth? We're meat eaters, and our teeth help us chew even the toughest meat. I'm from what is now known as Alberta, Canada. So when I get fully grown, watch out.
If you want to get big, you have to eat a good meal. And I've already called you for lunch 4 times.
Yes, Mom. Gotta go eat. See you later.
Ah, my friend, welcome to paradise. I am Baryonyx. No, wait, my friend. You leave too soon. Look around. Ah, take it all in. Yes, yes. Believe me, this won't last forever. Alas, only 80 million years. Come closer. We will talk, you and I. Oh, but you are, how do you say, freaked out by my strangeness? My claws disturb you? My long, tapered mouth? I know you are as fascinated by me being a fish eater as I am. You see, with these, I can scoop out my fish dinner from the water. And with the 90 short teeth I have in my mouth, I can eat it up. Yum. Yes, I know, I am very unique. There were not many of us. So come, we will soak in the sun of this paradise I live in. Smell the perfume of the very first flowering plants. Ah! See the first butterflies. Ah, yes, that's it. Come a little closer. You begin to understand why I love it here, yes? Fine. Then go, go! There are other lungfish in the Cretaceous swamp, you know? Just leave me be. But know this, you hurt me deeply. And now, I must sun myself. And stay out! Ah, you have come to the late Jurassic period in search of the great and powerful Compsognathus. That's Compsognathus. It's very easy if you practice. Ow! Hey, Baryonyx! Did you hear what they're saying about me? I am the #1 land predator in these islands in the depth of sea. It's true. No dinosaur gets past me. Why, well, see these legs? They're long and slender, which helps me to run very, very fast.
You are so full of hot air. I'm surprised you don't float away.
Do you dare insult me, the mighty Compsognathus? I can eat any lizard, dinosaur, or fish I want. Any one. I was the first complete dinosaur fossil that scientists could study. You see? Again, I was first. Number one.
Bring in the size chart.
Okay, so I'm on the small side. So what? I'm still #1. Excuse me while I go and show our friend why I'm #1. Oh, you think I cannot climb? Well, you are wrong. My bones, they're hollow like a bird's, which means I'm light. And, oh yeah, see this tail? It'll help me stay balanced. You can run, but you can't hide because I am the magnificent Compsognathus!
I'm Panoplosaurus. That's Panoplosaurus. I wonder if you can guess what my name means. Welcome to our game show. Guess the meaning of my name. Clue number 1. I live here in the late Cretaceous period, 74 million years ago. No guesses? Okay. I'm from the family of dinos called Ankylosauria. That means I have body armor. I have a stiff, clubless tail, and look at all my spikes. I'm built like an armored truck. Any ideas?
Square root of 4 divided by 8 pi.
This is an easy clue. I'm the same size as a dump truck, and I weigh 3.5 metric tons, the same as an elephant. Of course, all of this armor is to protect me from meat eaters like these 2 T-Rexes. Okay, this is the last clue, and then you'll have to answer. I live in what is now Alberta, Canada. So can you guess what my name means?
Does it mean delicious?
No, Panoplosaurus means totally armored lizard. Look at all the armor on me. Sheesh.
Do I win something?
No. Hey, play nice. I gave you easy clues. Oh well. See you next time.
Oops, sorry about that. I thought that he might be hiding in there. Oh, by the way, I'm Megaraptor. That's Megaraptor. You may have noticed that I'm in a bit of a rush, so I haven't got a whole lot of time to chat. Aha! Hey, wait a sec! Come back here! I'm as tall as a diving board. Excuse me? I'm wondering if you can help me with something. It's Mother's Day, and I have no idea what to get my mum. Do you have any ideas? A bag of nuts! That would be a great idea. But nope, she hates nuts. We're carnivores, and we don't eat plants. That's a great idea! Happy Mother's Day, Mom!
Oops, didn't see you there. Welcome to my forest 66 million years ago. I'm Leptoceratops. Leptoceratops. My name means skinny, horned face. It's good practice for when I get older, when I have to bonk heads with other dinos. We stand, look at the other guy, and bonk heads. Like this. Whoa!
Good one.
You see, lucky for me, I belong to a very special group of dinosaurs. We have these hard heads. It's like built-in safety gear. I have my own helmet. Oh, and see, we also have a beak, like a parrot. And we like to eat plants. I can walk on 2 legs or 4 legs. I'm powerfully built. Grrr. I'm about the same size as a horse, but much more powerful. Here, let me show you. Watch out! I think I better keep practicing, but somewhere else. Bye.